How to fasten a helmet strap.
How to fasten a helmet strap for beginners.
Okay. She's gonna lose patience. We have to edit it if she loses patience and hit a towel.
Yeah.
Strap. You hold this in this hand. Put the strap through both parts and pull it. Then it'll loop, do like a back flip, and it comes between the two, over the top of one and through the other. Do you see that? Okay. And then you pull, then you loop it back and snap it. Okay. So I'll show you. So, and see, I unsnap and I just kind of push to try to push it back through, and then when I get a space, I can just kind of pull it the rest of the way through and then back through, and that's how it comes off. So get your helmet. We'll do it together. Daddy, can you watch on his side?
Oh yes, I was gonna give you this.
Well,
I know. I was just gonna have him put it on.
He's doing his.
Okay.
No, he has to do it. Okay, is it straight? Okay. And then loop it through both. Pull tight. Then back flip. Over one. And through the other. And then snap.
Good job.
Click.
Now try.
Now put it. Now take it
Now
off.
try to take it off.
Try it on you.
Here's the difficult part.
Remember,
Let's see.
push this through. Push it through, and then you'll get a little bit of give, and then you can, right. Then pull it out. Okay, now let's see you do it on.
Dun dun dun. What, Lippert?
Make sure it's straight. Push it through both. Is it straight? Okay. And then back flip. Over one. Yeah, because you just have to do it by feel. And under the other. Yes. It's, yeah. You got both. Nope, nope, nope. Pull it back through. It did the back flip, but it was going back through both. Remember, over the first one, under the second one. Yes, where your finger is. Yep. Pull. Nope, because it needs to be tight. Yep. And then snap. Feel for the snap.
Click.
Let me see. Alright, now show me you taking it off.
That is how you put on a helmet for beginners.
I'll try to take it off. Just reverse. Reverse, reverse.
Remember, push it through.
Reverse.
Push it through. Push it.
I'm pushing it.
No, you weren't. Now you did, and now you can pull it through. And now, right here, pull down. And that's it.
How to put
Now
on
do it
and
again.
take off a helmet for beginners.
Now do it again.
One more
Make sure it's
time.
straight. Make sure it's straight.
Good job.
And my work is done.
Harper Jones got stepped on by a big boot. Yeah, use
Once more. Once more. We must hear a click
Is it all straight?
before you can pass.
Good job. Woo!
Let's see you.
When you hear it click.
Oh, me. Oh,
hear the
okay.
When you hear the snap, that's when you know it's good.
I didn't get this extreme learning, but
How to put on a helmet for beginners.
When you hear that
Jordan,
click.
Jordan version.
kind of crowded in this helmet.
Look at his funny face.
Look at his cheeks.
Okay, can you
Look
Cheeks
at
like
the
his mom.
Jordan.
can
Doesn't
you
he look
teach me
fun?
the process?
Okay.
Kenneth can.
Okay. Hold on. Just.
Okay, why don't you stand over here so I can get you both?
There you go. So next to your brother. Oh, you're standing there.
I feel like this is too tight.
It's supposed to be tight on your cheeks.
Yes, it should, cheeky.
Yes. So that way, it doesn't just.
Cheeks like your
fall
mama.
off. You're good.
And it'll break in too. This is your first time actually wearing it, so. Hi, Miss Lucky. Why are you taking it off?
Yes.
To share me.
Put it back on.
First,
I don't know what this
you
accent
make
is.
sure this is straight.
Straight.
Then you make it go to both.
Through both.
Then backflip.
What?
Then backflip.
Backflip through both of them?
No, just backflip.
Okay. Backflip like this?
No, like this.
Lucky came to visit. Over the first one, through the second one.
Do it.
Did you hear me, Jordan?
Yeah. Oh.
Then
So it goes in here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Then
No. Then you bring it back around to snap it.
You should here.
Why? Why? You've never even been to England and you have some British accent.
Snap.
Woo! I heard the snap. Good job.
Look, Jordan, let's take a picture. Okay.
Now,
Anything to end?
now, how you undo it?
Wow.
Take off this. You sit here. Unsnap. Then you push
Sure,
this
O'Neill will be using this
until
footage.
there's a little squeeze.
They're training
Then
vid.
you
The
pull it
training
up.
video.
This should be more loose. Then have you done it?
So your head got bigger in the last 3 weeks.
Pull the front up and back.
You look
No.
like, no, I'm not gonna say that. You look like someone who's Superman and he's about to attack. Ow!
Okay, could we close this video out?
Yes, I think
anything
we're
to
done.
end. Eat tacos. That's it.
Okay.
Peace out.
Careful with that. That's not how you put a helmet.